Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 4th, subject Marigold. Textbook. Unit 5. In our previous video, we have learned a story, Helen Keller. Now today we will start a poem, Don't Be Afraid of the Dark. So let's start. Page number 74. Here a poem given, Don't Be Afraid of the Dark. This poem is written by Ruskin Bond. First we will read this poem, after that we will try to understand it, okay? So let's see. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never, and those stars will be shining forever and ever. Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day it does seem that our troubles won't cease, but at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Okay, now let's try to understand. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. In this poem, the poet saying that we should not afraid of the dark. It is the time when sun takes rest after a long time. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never, and those stars will be shining forever and ever. Here poet saying that in daytime the sun must be harsh, but at night time moonlight always make us calm and happy, and those stars will be shine forever and ever for us. Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. The poet saying that we should try to get friendly with night without any kind of fear, and this can be done by thinking about your friends with you are spending your whole day, and also those friends who know about you. By day it does seem that our troubles won't cease, but at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Here poet saying that during daytime we feel so tired and worried about our problems that we want to stop it, but but at night, late at night, the world is at peace, and that showing that everything is fine. Okay, now here are some new words: afraid, dark, rest, harsh, forever, troubles, and cease. So let's know about their meaning. Afraid means feeling of fear. Dark, little or no light. Rest, to relax. Harsh, rough or cruel. Forever means always. Troubles, problems, and cease means to stop. Again, afraid means feeling of fear. Dark, little or no light. Rest means to relax. Harsh means rough or cruel. Forever means always. Troubles means problems, and cease means to stop. Okay. Okay, now next activity is reading is fun. Here are some questions given. We will try to give their answers. Okay. So let's see. First question is, what is the poem about? What is the poem about? So answer is, the poem is about children's fear of darkness of the night and the ways to overcome this fear. Second one, what happens when the day is over? So answer is, when the day is over, darkness spreads everywhere. The moon and stars starting shining in the sky. Then third one, what does the earth do when the day is over? So answer is, the earth takes rest when the day is over. Fourth one, what does the poet want to us to do at night? What does the poet want to us to do at night? So answer is, the poet wants us to be friendly with night and think about our friends and relatives. Fifth one, are these sentences true or false? So let's see. Here we have to answer in true or false. Okay, so A, the poet tells the children to be afraid when it is dark. Is it true? No, it is false, because what does poet saying? Yes, he's saying that don't be afraid of the dark. Second one, the poet says that stars will always shine at night. Is it true? Yes. So here we write true. C, the poet tells the children to think of friends after it is dark. The poet tells the children to think of friends after it is dark. Is it true? Yes. So this is true. Okay, now next is word building. So here two words given, you have to join it. Okay, like moon plus light. So here we write moonlight. So answer is moonlight. Then breakfast. So here we write breakfast. Then good plus night, good night. Then daybreak. Then waterfall, water and fall, waterfall. Then last one is rainbow. Okay, now find a word in the poem which is the opposite of war, enemies, gentle, light, night and stars. So here some words given, we have to write their opposites. Okay, so let's see. First word is war. That what is the opposite of war? Peace. Yes, war and peace. Enemies, so opposite is friends. Then gentle, so harsh. And light, so dark. Night, day. And start, so cease. Now this activity you have to do in your Marigold work textbook. Okay, thank you.